Hello smart people, here is a tutorial that demonstrates how to build your first website using Flask. And Flask is a Python framework just like Django. So I want to start off with importing Flask. Already by now you would have visited your command prompt and use pip something like this, pip install Flask. By now you would have installed the Flask on your command prompt. So when you're done with this, you head over to any of your desired IDE. So in this case I'm using VS Code. You can use PyCharm, you can use Atom, you can use any of your, or Sublime Text as the case may be. So the first thing I'm going to do here is to import Flask, and this is the code I'll write from Flask import Flask. So after this, the next line of code is to write an if statement, and when you do this, if main, or use name first, underscore, then you assign it to check if it will be equals to, you open a quotation mark, sorry. So in this quote, what you need to do is to enter another of the underscore, then you have main here, also double underscore, then you just end it with a colon. Then this is showing the code to run the app. So you just have app.run, then you close it with an open and close bracket. But this is not just enough. The next line of code you need to have here is app. You set it to equals Flask. And then the next thing you need to do at this point is to, when you set it to be equals Flask, you then will need to, have a def, which in this case I can use home. You can use any other thing if you want. And then after that, this I will need to return an HTML tag, and this time we'll be using inline HTML, at least for the beginning stage. And how is the inline HTML gonna look like? I could just start off with maybe hello, and then I'll say this is the main page. Okay, then I'll have this inline HTML. I can use the h1 tag, so it will be like h1, and then I'll close this tag. That's the opening tag, and I will have something like hello. Then I will still have the closing tag h1. So this is the inline HTML. But then by the time you run this code, it will not get a particular destination for which it will target. So that means to create a targeted destination, you're going to use the at and app.route just to create the route. And then in this case, if I use home, it will show for maybe an error. So I'll just use / at this point. So this is a structure of the code that you definitely will use whenever you're starting off Flask web page. So now what we need to do now is to run this code. So you open your command prompt. To terminate what you've done before, you just press Ctrl+C, and that will terminate it. So you just type Python Python, open the quotes, main.py, and close the quotation mark. Press enter, and then it has introduced the HTTP code. So you just copy this and then go to your browser and then paste it, enter. You can see it displays hello. This is the main page, hello. And that is what we intend to do in this video. Hope you found it helpful.